good that we have discussed sales after or we will... The fact na nandito ako sa harap din ngayon, no? I-discuss itong objects ng contract of sale, no? Isa lang ibig sabihin, no? Hindi ako pinalas, no? For the session that we have was because of my absence 2 weeks prior. So, from the obligations of the vendor, ang nakikira na lang po natin na kailangan i-discuss would be the obligation of the vendor to warrant the
and we said under levy, and then we have assessment and collection. So the last meeting, or during our last meeting, we already discussed your remedy for tax assessment. And under that remedy, we said that it all starts with the action of the government, and from the action of the government, we have the taxpayer levy. So, makikita ng Diyos. Kung hindi kayo magdadasal. Ang gawin niyo sa holiday, magdasal. I'm so disappointed. Hindi, sige, mag-aaral lang ako na bahala sa dasal ninyo. Problem, ingat kayo. And stay healthy, stay healthy. Konting-konti na lang, matatapos na to. Sana hindi pa kayo nababaliw. Kung nababaliw na kayo, baka kaya pang i-rectify yan. Ingat kayo, magpakabusog at drink your vitamins. Goodbye.
Lumayo po tayo sa ginto upang maiwasang masandali